got a box. I decided to do a wholesale box because I've got no stock on Depop. It's going so well. So I've gone to a little place in Derby, ordered a big box of 50 items, and it's like random branded, unbranded, graphic t-shirts and things like, I don't even know, Disney, rock, music t-shirts, stuff like that. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people just unboxing mystery boxes. This isn't that mystery, but it's a mystery to me, so I'm just going to go and open it. And this is where we're at. So I've actually remembered I've ordered 10 Disney print t-shirts, vintage Disney print t-shirts, and then 40 graphic and music t-shirts. So that could be like anything. And I don't know anything about any of this because I normally buy like 90s street clothes, but who knows? We might make some money. Okay. We are open. Straight off the bat, I see orange, maroon, white, pink. It's all sorts. I ain't got a clue. This is just kind of a bit of fun. I don't really know if there's any value in here, but I paid £80 for 40 t-shirts, and then something like £30 for 10 Disney t-shirts. So I'm just gonna go straight in, to be honest. Let's see what's what. That's quite cool. It's like a maroon. I have no idea about any of these bands, by the way, and I doubt I will. It's a maroon country keep it. It's got like a violin thing on it. That's actually quite cool. What is this? Lady Antebellum 2011 tour. Own the Night tour. Again, I don't know. It looks like some kind of like rock t-shirt. Decent condition. What is this? That is funky. That's thick and funky. What is this? Optima Max Beach Party, kind of like hippie vintage black t-shirt. It's thick, extra large. Ah, it's got some nice graphic on there as well. Man Hamill. I have no idea. This looks sick. It's like an American. What is this? American. It's like a Harley Davidson almost. Speed, power, ride, free. That is sick. I actually really like that. Looking like a decent box so far. Oh, that is tiny. Where is this from? On this strip. Rock and roll, rhythm and blues, Las Vegas, Nevada. Not too bad. Man, there's so many t-shirts in here. I'm hoping I'm hoping at least £10 at least per t-shirt, but I'm gonna do research on like everything because I have no idea who all these bands are. Literally not known one single band so far. What's this? American Chopper. Again, Ride or Die t-shirt, same as what we had before. That's quite cool. Quite enjoy that. It's a nice label too. I don't know if you can see that from there, but it's a cool label. What is this? Oh my god, it's Burger King. That is awesome. That is sick. It's got no tag. But look at this. Jalapeno chicken fries. It's like that is cool. I don't know when that's from, but that is really cool. Shit, that's just, I don't know any of these people. Again, oh, it's got prints. I don't know if that's the prints. It's Famous Guitars. Famous Guitars back print. I don't know what label that is either. Man, I really should have done some research before I bought this, because I don't know anything, so I might have to do another video on this is this person, this is that, but that is actually pretty awesome. I like the look of this as well. Hanes Heavyweight. What's on the back of that? Bridge School. Buffalo Springfield, so Pearl Jam. Ah, it's like a festival. Elvis Costello. When is this from? 2010. And that's in really nice condition as well. That's actually pretty sick. We have so many more to get through, and I'm enjoying this so far. Bright orange, size large, just kind of like a plain guitar t-shirt. That'd be good for like a guitar head, or like an all electric by the looks of it as well. Who's this? Who are you? It's like Captain America logo or something. Freedom Rocks. Freedom Rocks. Never just kind of like spell out rock t-shirt. It's okay. Oh. It's like an old school hard rock. Not 1971, that's when the hard rock was established. I can't actually read the label on this, but it's an old hard rock cafe t-shirt. I actually like that. That's tiny. Nothing special, really. Just a grey guitar t-shirt. What is this? That looks sick. What is that? Rock Yard. Zach Britton Player Designer Series, maybe like a baseball? Is it like a baseball music like collaboration by the looks of it? Rock the Yard, that's pretty cool. I'm actually really enjoying this, I might have to get another. Route 66, size large, recycled tracks. That is weird. Looks like a space kind of shop thing. I quite like that. A bit smaller. Trans-Siberian Orchestra. What the hell? What is this? 2012 tour. Looks like American again, so there's a lot of American bands over here. Now this is bright red and it's all over. I bet I can't figure this one out either. Grey Star trademark, size large. Who is this? Anyone know? Because I do. Man, I wish I should follow rock a bit more because I ain't got a clue about any of these. There's a bit of a stain on there, but that just looks like that's easy to get rid of. American Freedom rocks. American Freedom does rock. There we go. Not too shabby. It's not a bad box so far. I mean, it's quite fun, and I reckon I've definitely at least made my money back. This looks really cool. Oh, that is funky. What is this? If I know any of these, by the way, like pat on the back for me. New Orleans 36th Annual Jazz and Heritage Festival, 2005. My girlfriend would love that. That is sick. These are like, I'm buying more of these. If I take my money back at least. Shamrock SeaWorld. It's like a rock festival for SeaWorld by the looks of it. It's pretty cool. Oversized like black t-shirt. Not bad. I really don't know the value of these. I'd go at least a tenner. So I've spent like £3 per t-shirt and they're all in good condition. I'm easily going to make my money back. Nashville, Tennessee, 2009. Gildan, size large. I can't actually see the writing on that to see who actually played there, but that, again, quite a cool t-shirt. I never really bought any rock t-shirts before. They're actually, now this, that is colourful. Here is this. It's a Mexican restaurant t-shirt. Tiempo de Fiesta 2016. It's a cool t-shirt, right? But I don't think there's anything in that. Unless you used to work there. Oh man, there's so many t-shirts. I'm gonna have to rest my arm. So altogether, including tax, shipping, etc., etc., I spent £156 for 50 t-shirts in total. So that's, yeah, about £3 per t-shirt. Yeah, about £3 per t-shirt. Not too bad. What have we got here? Again, no idea. Somewhere in Nashville, Tennessee. Someone will have that. It's in great condition. Olive, khaki, whatever you want to call it. Delta Pro Weight. There's a lot of American stuff in here. Rock and Roll Race Crew 2012 tour. Where did they tour? Again, oh, St. Petersburg, Florida. I know nothing about American geography, and I know nothing about American bands, and I know nothing about rock. So this is probably like the worst thing I could have bought. That is cool. And I've been to Thailand, so that kind of, unless that's a band. Thai elephants, Thai art, Thai life, and Thai history. That is pretty cool. It's a bit smaller, size medium. I say small, it's a medium. I'm just fat. big yellow Captain Kaiso t-shirt. It's like a guitar slash saxophone slash flute playing into a record. It's the world. Pretty cool. Again. Oh, is that a Fender? That is a Fender t-shirt. I don't know what Fender goes for, but I know their guitars and everything else that goes with Fender is really expensive. And that's quite cool, and it's a nice size. I wish I knew, because I'm gonna have to do so much research now. I wish I knew who these were and what they do. Hog heaven. Hog heaven. You can never have too much bass. I mean, you probably can. On the front it says turn up the bass. That's quite cool. Oh, yeah, well, that is sick. Fruit of the Loom, size medium. Another Mexican kind of thing. Mexican grill. Why have I got two Mexican, like, restaurant t-shirts? They're really cool though. I quite like that. Whoa, what is this? Man, this looks like a Planet Hollywood, maybe? Nah, it's not Planet Hollywood. Rock in Rio, Las Vegas, USA. I really like that. That is pretty sick. It looks like a Hard Rock slash Planet Hollywood, but it's not. Come on. One band that I know. Come on. Who's this? It's a bit faded, that. I can't see. House is Blues. House in Blues. Las Vegas again. Quite cool. Got a bright red printed t-shirt. There we go. Something that I know. Finally. Hard Rock Cafe. When's it? What year is this from? Because they're normally quite. Sometimes can go for quite a bit. Made in United Arab Emirates Cafe. Bahrain. I'm gonna guess. I think it's somewhere in UAE. My geography is normally quite good, but Bahrain is Middle East somewhere. That is quite cool. What is this? Johnny Rodriguez, bright pink t-shirt with a guitar on. Don't really like that. But it might be worth something. Who knows? Maybe there's a big Johnny Rodriguez fan out there. You never know. Right, we're getting through the rock t-shirts now. Bit of Star Wars. So yeah, there's Star Wars. Stormtrooper right there. That is cool. Be strong, speak true, spread the peace. Melissa Etheridge, 2008 tour. Melissa Etheridge. We will find who you are. A lot of old artists are going to get like one new view on YouTube from this. Because of me. Bass Pro Shops, Branson, Missouri. Bass? Yeah. But it's got a bass on it. It's got a fish, but it says bass, but it's a music t-shirt. Is it fishing or is it a music t-shirt? Who knows? I think this is the last of the graphic printed t-shirts. Who's this? Nashville, the Rescue Party Nashville. You are the Rescue Party. That is quite cool. The end of the box. It's a big box. Like, I might actually order some more of this because like the graphic t-shirts and rock t-shirts were actually pretty sick. So I'm gonna have to wash them all, get rid of any stains, sort them out, and do a bit of research. But that is it. If you want to check out my Depop, it's Jamie Sco, and I'm selling everything that you've seen in this video, and I've got loads of stock around me as well. So hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.